tell you about a new launch we have from Natura Bisse that we're all very excited about. The C+C Vitamin Sheer Fluid is absolutely beautiful. It is the first of its kind product that goes on the skin. It really hydrates nicely, gives you a big dose of vitamin C, and it also has illuminating microspheres. So this is the new C+C Vitamin Sheer Fluid. It is chock full of vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that not only fights free radical damage from the sun, but also protects the collagen and elastin levels in your skin. It is firming, it is hydrating, and it is one of the best ingredients that you can include in your skincare regimen. But my favorite part of this product, aside from all the benefits, is the really cool new technology. This product has what's called illuminating microspheres. This goes on the skin white and then begins to transform to suit your unique skin tone. So it will be the perfect match to whatever your skin tone is of the moment. And it's just beautiful, beautiful coverage. So it's like a gorgeous tinted moisturizer that is always the right shade.